In the heart of the countryside, where the rhythm of life is intertwined with the seasons, one farmer's journey unfolds, a journey born from a desire to connect with nature and contribute to food production. He is Andy Unsay Palmaria, a 54 years old and 20 years in farming.
Magsasaka ako dahil yun ang tanging kabuhayan dito sa Bicol. Kung hindi magsasaka, mangingisda.
Rice, the often referred to as the grain of life, is not just a staple food, it's a cultural cornerstone for many communities.
Tatanim ako ng palay at ito ang sumusuporta sa aking pamilya.
But farming is fraught with challenges. Unpredictable weather, pest pressures, and market fluctuation can threaten the hard work put into each season.
Ang mga pagsubok sa pagsasaka kadalasan pag may masamang panahon at pag pinipisti ang palay.
Sustainability is woven into the fabric of this farm. By using organic fertilizers and water conservation techniques, the farmer ensures a healthier planet for the future generation.
Gamit ako ng mga organic na fertilizer kagaya ng dumi ng manok.
In the heart of our agricultural landscape, farmers work tirelessly, nurturing the land that sustains us all. But what does it truly take to thrive in this essential industry? Andy, a dedicated farmer whose story is emblematic of many in this region. For him, the balance between profit and expenses is a daily reality.
Sa loob ng 3 buwan, nakakagastos ako ng mahigit 47,000 pesos. Kasama na dyan ang fertilizer at labor.
With careful planning and hard work, Andy hopes to generate the profit from his harvest. After subtracting expenses from profits, Andy is left with a net gain of 20,000 pesos. This margin represents not just financial success, but the resilience of farmers everywhere. As consumers, we often overlook the hard work that goes into our food. Understanding the numbers help us appreciate the dedication behind each harvest.